Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be learning to create a simple PHP website. We'll be converting our HTML template into PHP. Let's get started. I have a simple template. Okay, I'll be including this in the link below. Okay, now let's open this. It's very basic. It has got a header, a simple menu, some content, and footer. And there another page as well. Contact us. Just this. Contact us, with different. So this is total HTML document. We'll be converting into PHP. Okay, let's get started. Let me open all this. Okay, let me copy these things at first in my local server. I've installed XAMPP on my computer. Okay, see XAMPP 1.8 htdocs. Okay, temp. Let me open this up. Let me open all these things in Sublime Text. So let's first look at index.html. It has got header. Now let's see in these sites. This is the home page. Okay. Header, there is header, there is menu. Everything's and there's little content. There's sidebar and this footer. And let's see the contact page. Here everything is same, just this contact us, this form is different. So if this was HTML document, if we had to make a modification, like if somebody like in footer, then we had to make changes in each and every pages. And here, just since here are only 4, it is easier, but for large sites it's very difficult. So we actually don't put up HTML documents. We convert it into PHP, or we use CMS to do that. We will be doing this soon. Okay, let's do that. So now what we can do is we can put these things header, menu, side, and this footer somewhere in the includes directory, and we can include that into our site. And every time home.php is run, everything runs. Similarly, if contact.php is run, then everything will be included in that site. So let's do it again. Now what we do is first copy all these things, create new, paste it, and we'll be calling it index.php, not HTML. Okay, so here we have. Now what to do is create a new folder, and we'll call it includes. INCLUDES. Now we'll be including here headers and footers and so on. Okay, now what to do is, this is header, this div contains header. Let's cut this thing, create new, paste, and put inside includes, and we'll be putting here header.php. Everything will be on PHP. Now what we can do here instead is just open up PHP, open and close this, and we can, there is a function named include, ready-made function, which includes that file in this index.php. So we'll be including that is inside includes, again CLUDES, and its name is header.php. Okay, now similarly for the navigation, just cut this thing, paste it there, and we're calling it navigation.php. Okay, now we can copy this thing, and let's see if it is running or not. Okay, this index.php. We can actually delete this index.html. Let's delete this thing. We don't need that anymore now. Now let's open up localhost, and this is temp. Okay, we got it. It's running. Everything is being included on this index.php. Alright. Now let's do the same thing for footer as well. Include instead of writing include, but you could write require as well, or require once. But require, it means that that file should be compulsorily included in this file. If it doesn't find this footer.php, then this won't run. Okay, so to make up that thing, you can just write include. But if you necessarily need that thing to run this whole site, then you should write require. Okay, include said it didn't find footer.php because we didn't just copy and paste that thing. So what we do is Control C, Control Z till we get that thing. Okay, now paste it here, cut it, create new, paste it, name it footer.php. Offset, what did I do? I'll save it as footer.php. Okay, let's copy this thing. So if it doesn't find things, then it shows this type of warning. Okay, got these things, everything's running. And let's do the same for contact as well. Okay, okay, copy everything up and put contact.php. Alright, now we can just remove this error, remove this navigation, and we can directly include header.php, include navigation.php, because we already have that files in our include directory, but sorry, it's inside includes. Okay, inside includes. Let's see this contact.php. Oh, there was error in line 12. What's that? Oh, it's not this. Okay, it's closing. Okay, we got that. Now let's make some change in this navigation.php. Okay, so it's index.php and this is contact.php, actually not HTML. Okay, home.php, contact.php. Okay, now whenever you make certain change in that footer section, then everything will be changed simultaneously. Let's see. Now let's see things. We could make this aside as well. To next thing, if we put every aside in all of our documents, then we can do this aside.php and include this aside. Okay, now let's make certain changes in contact.php as well. We'll be doing that thing. Aside and copy this and put it as footer.php. Okay, now let's see. Now let's make certain change in our footer file. Okay, now here you see it's site name 2xx or something like that, and in here too it's the same. Now let's change the site name like .40. Now let's see these things. Okay, let's change it in index.php and in contact.php as well. Similarly, we can change the site name. It's header.php. Okay, so this is it. It's quite easier to do things like this. So in this way, a simple HTML site is changed into PHP. We'll be learning more about these things in coming up videos. Thank you.